It's your girl Alicia Jones, and to see how I installed this hair by Toyotress, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys, so this is 3 packs of hair. I have not been pulling it apart at all, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I wish I would have gotten a color 2 or 1B, but this is what it looks like, and this is 14 inches. So we're about to continue installing the rest of the front of the hair. So this is the finished look, you guys. This hairstyle took me no time. I would say less than an hour. This hair was so freaking easy to install. Like, I love that. We love products that make it easier for us. I know I do, okay? So I got 8 packs of hair, and this is Toyotress's. So this is Toyotress's Beach Curl, and this is in the color T30, and I got 14 inches. I don't really care for 12 inches, but I got 14 inches, and 8 packs came in this package here. So you don't even need 8 packs really, unless you want it super duper full. What the hell was that? Something just flew on me. You don't need 8 packs unless you want it to be super duper full. But this is how much hair I have left. So I have 1 pack left, and then this is out of the 7th pack. Super easy to install. I only pulled the hair apart to do my invisible part. So that's my invisible part, but oh my gosh. Like, this hair, it's so full. I didn't have to pull it apart, and I still had hair left over. I mean, it don't look like a lot. It doesn't, but it's more than enough. Like, obviously I got some left over. What I did was I did spaces. I didn't put my hair close together. I spaced them a fingertip width apart, and yeah, I love it. This is so cute. At first I was like, I wish I would have got a 1B, but this is cute. So you guys can stay tuned for a review. This is my 2nd time trying out Toyotress hair. I tried their passion twist a couple months ago, and I think the same color, but I like it. Like, super cute. The color is popping. Yeah, it's the perfect length. It's not too long. But yeah, I didn't put any product on it before. Back in the day, I used to put product on my crochet installs as soon as I finished them, but I'm not gonna do that this time, and I haven't been doing it. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to stay tuned for the review, which will be coming in about 2 weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you tried this hair before. What are your thoughts on it? Did you like it? What color did you try? And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.